stepn GMT explicitly is a coin that is right now exchanged at $292.59 per unit, with the market capitalization of $534,420,301 that generally makes it a low-position digital money in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like stepn have currently especially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for pretty retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for fundamentally huge institutional financial backers who in every practical sense see stepn and the remainder of digital currencies as a really viable, certainly fence against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a for the most part significant manner. Thusly, having in every way that really matters, at least a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto generally, is basically an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer, who in a real sense needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. Yet, with it comes the need to intently in a real sense follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand what is going on, and in a real sense have some feeling. Representing things to come, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. This stepn cost expectation model generally was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, for the most part track down the best coins or tokens to truly put resources into, and certainly keep the value bend developing. However, prior to diving into the overall stepn examination and cost expectation, we might want to especially help you to remember the genuinely fundamental standards of digital money, exchanging and venture in an especially huge way. So we should zero in on the stepn market, its truly current standings, as well as the mid-term and by and large long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our sort of restrictive crypto unpredictability file CVIX in a huge way. As of now, the cost of stepn truly remains at $292.59, and this specific computerized resource generally stands firm on the 80th foothold in the worldwide digital currency fundamentally positioning. For actually your data, the by and large positioning of each and every cryptographic money sort of is vigorously dependent on its certainly current market capitalization and cost, and in every practical sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Likewise, to basically get a genuinely better generally handle of the market circumstance and fundamentally figure out the kind of broad bearing of the pattern, or to explicitly enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise critical to basically break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday on Walk 17, the cost of stepn basically remained at $3,839 at the end of the truly day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 753% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior on Walk 11, the stepn market commonly remained at $84.42 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members incredibly. As the outcome, the cost truly moved by 0% comparable to its truly present standing. A month prior, on February 18, stepn truly was estimated at $73.42, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period in every practical sense, significant way. Contrasted with a truly present place of stepn, it addresses a 574% cost move in an especially significant manner. At the point when it really comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves considerably more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its sort of by and large notoriety with a worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they explicitly thought. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a sort of key marker to, in every way that really matters, be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, or so they basically thought. It sort of is determined by duplicating the really all-out number of coins that basically are right now available for use circling supply by the genuinely current cost of stepn, which, as currently referenced, by and by for the most part remains at $92.59. Considering that equation, we have determined the sort of current market capitalization of stepn to be at $534,420,301, which legitimizes its place as the 80th coin among those truly present on the cryptographic money market in a significant manner. Yesterday, on Walk 17, the market capitalization of stepn basically remained at $564,838.71. Keep going week on Walk 11, the in every practical sense aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to stepn in every practical sense was laid out at $705,513.95. The information from a month prior, enrolled on February 18, explicitly shows that stepn explicitly had a market capitalization of $477,635,406. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and certainly are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders truly chilly wallets, or so they basically thought. The kind of complete stock likewise considers any coins that in a real sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use to keep a solid expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. It can measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that in a real sense is public on the financial exchange. So yesterday on Walk 17, the market capitalization of stepn explicitly remained at $564,838.71. Keep going week on Walk 11, the really aggregate sum of truly capital committed to stepn generally was laid out at $705,513.95. The information from a month prior, enlisted on February 18, by and large shows that stepn especially had a market capitalization of $477,635,406 amazingly. The complete inventory of stepn right now in every way that really matters remains at 5,396,863,226 GMT, or so they sort of thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile explicitly is the most generally involved certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It relates with especially the best guess of the exceptionally by and large number of coins that generally are public on cryptographic money trades and in a real sense add to their liquidity in an in every way that really matters significant way. Their volume does exclude the coins that especially are vested, marked in truly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or explicitly put unavailable for general use in a genuinely large manner. The circling supply is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, the flowing inventory of stepn fundamentally is assessed at 1,841,184,364 GMT, or so they truly thought. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the stepn market basically added up to $86,453.30. Yesterday on Walk 17, the genuinely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting in a real sense added up to $122.75,963 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior on Walk 11, the force of stepn exchanging all through the meeting came to $577,998,594 in a by and large significant manner. This information and the events on the stepn graph can truly assist you with truly evaluating for yourselves the especially current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the sort of current course or making an inversion, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file CVIX really is our truly essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations with respect to the cost of stepn in 1 to 5 years' time in an unpretentious manner. It really was made by the especially in-house group of engineers and market examiners